Most conversation about AI starts with a wrong question. People ask, are LLMs intelligent? Can they think? Will they replace human reasoning? But these questions miss the real issues. Large language models don't think. They don't reason the way humans do. They predict the next token based on the pattern in the data. And here is the most important part, that's not the flaw. The models are built in that way. The real confusion begins when we expect intelligence to magically appear inside the model. But models are not made for intelligence, they are made for prediction. Then what LLMs actually do? Okay, an LLM is fundamentally a prediction engine. As I said, it predicts the next token based on the pattern in the data. Given context, it predicts what comes next. That's incredibly powerful, but it is still the prediction. There is no memory of past decisions unless we give it to one. No understanding of consequences unless we design for it. No ability to stop unless we build constraints. So when people say LLMs hallucinate, what they are really saying is we asked a prediction system to behave like a decision system, and that expectation is not correct. A prediction system cannot become a decision system. So our expectation from the model is not correct. And this is one of the reasons why Gen AI demos most of the time they look amazing, but as soon as it goes to production, it starts failing. Why? Because we are going to demo it, the environment is controlled, the input is clean, the task is short, and failure actually has no real cost associated with it. But production system has life in chaos. Input change, context grows, mistakes compound, and confident wrong answers suddenly matter. No teams upgrade models. They don't increase parameters, rewrite prompts, and nothing fundamentally improves because the problem was never the model. So the question comes then where the intelligence emerges in the system from. Intelligence does not live in the model. It emerges from the system as a whole, from how the model interacts with memory, gives the context beyond the prompt, tools, it works on the whole world. You provide various tools like prediction, like creating a business intelligence system, like fetching the data, uh, like getting scrapping the web apps. Constraints restrict your system to those things which are not required. Evaluation, that output is checked, and feedback, how behavior adapts over time. So and the most importantly, model predicts and the system decides. So it is not the model which decides, it is the whole system that decides. Remove any one of these pieces and intelligence collapses, no matter how good the model is. This is why agentic system exist, not because prompts fail, but because systems are missing. Once you see intelligence as a system property, everything changes. You stop asking which model should I use and start asking how does the system behave when it is wrong? How does it recover? How does it decide what matters? That shift from model centric to system centric thinking is most important upgrade in the modern AI engineering. This channel AI Verse is about that shift. We will explore generative AI as a system and not as an API. We will explore agentic AI, we understand decision loops, we will talk about inference, cost, reliability, governance, MCP, and a lot of other things. This first video is foundation. Next, we will go deeper into why generative AI must be designed as a system, not just deployed as a model. So, if you care about building AI that works beyond prompts, you are at the right place.